Welcome! In front of me I have Coros Pace 2 and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch, and you can do it by pressing and holding the lower button. Once the menu opens, use the crown button to scroll through the menu, basically rotate it. Scroll through the menu, select the system option and then press the crown button to enter. Here, scroll through the menu by rotating the crown button again. Select the option called More Settings and press the crown button. And now scroll through the menu, select the option called Watch Face and Theme Color and press the crown button. It will open a list of watch faces. You can scroll through it by using the crown button. Select the watch face you would like to use on your watch, then press the crown button to confirm, and then you can select the theme color by rotating the crown again. Select the color and then press the crown button to confirm. Okay, and as you can see, the watch face was applied. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.